Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have started reading with our chapter number 3 from the book Beehive, okay, and the name of the chapter is The Little Girl, okay. So we were reading one story about a little girl and the name of the girl is Kezia, okay, and in her family she is having her parents and her grandmother, okay, and we were reading her relationship with her father, okay, and in the previous video we have read that she was so full of fear, she was so frightened, she was so afraid, okay, with her father that she was unable to speak properly, okay. She started stammering whenever she was in front of her father. Then her grandmother, she suggested that her father's birthday was about to come, okay, and the grandmother, she suggested that Kezia, she should make a gift, she should make a pin cushion for her father as a birthday gift, okay. So will this gift change anything in the relationship? We will come to know when we will continue the chapter, okay. So let's start. Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitched 3 sides, okay. So Kezia, now she was also very much excited to make this birthday present for her father, okay. So she was making this present, and how laboriously, okay. So what is laboriously? Laboriously means with a lot of efforts, with a lot of labor, with a lot of hard work, okay. So with a lot of efforts, with a double cotton, the little girl, that is Kezia, she stitched 3 sides of the cushion, okay. So we all know cushion is having a square shape, okay. So first of all she stitched these 3 sides, okay, and after stitching the 3 sides, okay, now उसको क्या करना था, उसको इस cushion के अंदर कुछ fill करना था, right? But what to fill in with, okay. So cushion तो तभी बनेगा जब उसके अंदर कुछ fill किया जाएगा. So now she wanted something to fill in the cushion, okay. That was the question, okay. But now what is the thing that she should fill in the cushion? That was the question, okay. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps, okay. So now Kezia, the little girl, she wanted something, the thing that she could fill inside the cushion, okay. So she first of all she wanted to take the grandmother's help, but the grandmother was out in the garden, okay. So the little girl Kezia, she wandered into mother's bedroom, okay. Why? To look for some scraps, okay. So what scraps means? Scrap means small pieces of cloth or small pieces of some paper, okay. So उसको लगा कि इस कुशन के अंदर कुछ small pieces के clothes और paper जो है वो fill कर सकती है. So to get those scraps, she went inside the mother's bedroom, okay. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case, then sewed up the 4th side, okay. So when she went into her mother's bedroom, so there on the bed table, okay, so there was one table near the bed, and on that table she discovered a great many sheets. Great many means so many sheets of paper were there, and the sheets were of fine paper, okay. So very good quality of paper was that. So she gathered them up, okay. So she gathered all the sheets, okay, then she tore them into tiny pieces, okay, and finally she stuffed her case, okay. So she needed something to fill inside the cushion. So when she went into her mother's bedroom, okay, so there she found some fine quality papers there, okay. So she tore all the paper into small pieces and then she stuffed her cushion with those papers, okay, and then finally she sewed up the 4th side, okay. So what is sewed means to join or fasten, okay. So 3 side तो उसने पहले ही स्टिच कर दिए थे, okay, और जो 4th साइड ओपन था वहाँ से उसने वो जो स्क्रैप्स थे और वीकेंड से जो टाइनी पीसेस थे वो पेपर के जो उसने टोर करा था वो उसने फिल कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट जो 4th साइड था उसे भी उसने स्टिच कर दिया, okay. So now she was ready with her cushion, okay. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Okay, so now Kezia, she was very happy because she was all settled, she was all ready with her gift. Okay, but घर में क्या हो रहा था? That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Okay, so what is hue and cry? Hue and cry means uproar, or we can say a lot of noise. Okay, so there was a lot of noise, there was a lot of uproar in the house. Why? What is the reason? Let's see. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. Okay, so what was the reason? That there was a lot of activity, a lot of noise in the house. So the reason was the father's great speech. Okay, so Kezia's father, he prepared some speech, okay, for one occasion, for one event, and it was for the port authority. Okay, and you know that speech had been lost. Okay, so जो उन्होंने speech रखी थी, जो उन्होंने speech ready की थी, वो speech नहीं मिल रही थी. Okay, so now students, do you have any idea कि स्पीच कहाँ गई? यस, वो स्पीच कहाँ गई थी? जो पेपर्स कीजिया ने लिए थे, ओके, जो अपने मदर के बेडरूम से उसने पेपर लिए थे, दोज पेपर वर हर फादर्स स्पीच. ओके, सो नाउ वो पेपर वो टोर कर चुकी है, कुशन के अंदर फिल कर चुकी है, एंड नाउ एवरीवन इन द हाउस दे वर लुकिंग फॉर द स्पीच, दे वर लुकिंग फॉर द पेपर्स. ओके, rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally mother came into Kezia's room. Okay, so वो जो speech थी, वो जो papers थे, they were actually very important, okay, for Kezia's father. So everyone was you know looking for the paper, looking for the speech. That was the reason that all the rooms in the house were searched. Okay, so सभी rooms में देखा गया कि speech कहाँ चली गई, and servants questions. Okay, वो जितने भी servants थे घर में, सबसे question किया गया कि क्या किसी ने वो papers देखे हैं. राइट. फाइनली मदर केम इनटू कीजियास रूम. ओके, तो जब सारे ही रूम चेक किए जा रहे थे, सारे रूम्स में सर्च किया जा रहा था, सो कीजिया के रूम में भी सर्च करना था. ओके, सो फाइनली कीजियास मदर, शी वाज देयर इन कीजियास रूम. ओके, Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. Okay, so when Kezia's mother, she was there in Kezia's room. Okay, so she asked Kezia that, you know, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. Yes, so they were the same paper. Okay, वो वही पेपर थे जिन्हें Kezia, you know, टोर कर चुकी है, कुशंस के अंदर फिल कर चुकी है. ओके, सो वही उसके फादर की वो इम्पोर्टेंट स्पीच वाले पेपर्स थे. ओके, oh yes, she said, I tore them up for my surprise. Okay, so Kezia, she is very much innocent. Okay, so she is admitting this thing and she is saying, you know, oh yes, I have seen those papers and I tore them up for my surprise. Okay, what? Screamed mother. Okay, so Kezia's mother, obviously she was so much surprised. Okay, and this was the reason that she screamed. Okay, screamed means to shout. Okay, so she shouted, what are you saying? Come straight down to the dining room this instant. Okay, so Kezia's mother, she was so shocked. Okay, that you know, she was shouting, she was screaming, and then she ordered Kezia to come straight down to the dining room. Okay, this instant means immediately, or we can say at once. Okay, so she ordered Kezia to come down in the dining room immediately. Okay, and she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. Okay, and finally Kezia, she was dragged down. Okay, so say unwillingly, you know, with a lot of force उसको नीचे लाया गया. कहाँ पे? Where father was pacing to and fro. Okay, so what is pacing? Pacing means to walk at a steady speed. Okay, so father, he was pacing, he was walking. Okay, where? In the dining room to and fro, and how his hands were behind his back. Okay, so Kezia को उसके father के सामने, you know, बहुत ही forcefully लाया जाता है. Okay, well, he said sharply. Okay, so now Kezia's mother, उन्होंने सारी बातें कीजिया के फादर को बता दी थी. that yes, कीजिया ने ही वो पेपर्स लिए थे और उसने वो पेपर सारे, you know, अच्छे से टीयर भी कर दिए हैं और उसको कुशन के अंदर फिल कर दिए हैं. Okay, so Kezia's father, he said very sharply. Well, mother explained. So Kezia's mother, she explained everything. Okay, he stopped and stared at the child. Did you do that? Next, Kezia's father, he stopped. stopped. Okay, so we have read earlier that he was pacing to and fro. Okay, so now he stopped and then he stared at the child. He stared at Kezia. Okay, and then he asked, did you do that? No, she whispered. Okay, so Kezia वो पहले ही अपने फादर से इतना ज़्यादा डरती है. Already she was having a lot of fear. She was so afraid with her father. Okay, and now she knew that उसे गलती हो गई है. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर थे वो, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्पीच थी वो, जिससे उसने जिन पेपर्स को उसने टीयर कर दिया है. सो नाउ शी इज फुल ऑफ fear. Okay, so this is the reason that she is unable to speak properly and she was stammering. Okay, and what did she say? She said no. Okay, so she whispered. Okay, so she said in a very low voice. Okay, mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damned thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Okay, so now father, okay, he is so much angry, he is so much upset. Okay, so he is saying to his mother that mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damned thing. Okay, so what is fetch? Fetch means to bring. Okay, so he is saying that bring down the damned thing. Okay, so what is damned thing? Damned thing is the cushion. Okay, जो cushion कीजिया ने बनाया है, और वी कैन से द बर्थडे सरप्राइज जो उसने बनाया है फॉर हर फादर. ओके, सो दैट पिलो इज रेफर्ड एज डैम्ड थिंग. ओके, सो कीजिया के फादर कह रहे हैं कि जस्ट ब्रिंग दैट डैम्ड थिंग राइट हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. सी दैट द चाइल्ड्स पुट टू बेड दिस इंस्टेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट ही वाज हैविंग वन मोर इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर कीजिया एंड दैट वाज दैट ही सेड दैट ब्रिंग पुट द चाइल्ड टू बेड दिस इंस्टेंट, और वी कैन से इमीडिएटली. ओके, crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Okay, so now Kezia, she is so much frightened and at the same time she is so much upset also. Okay, so she was crying too much to explain. She wanted to explain कि उसने वो पेपर क्यों लिए थे, why she needed those paper. Okay, और उसने उन पेपर से क्या करा है. एक्चुअल में तो अपने फादर के लिए बर्थडे प्रेजेंट रेडी कर रही थी, बर्थडे सरप्राइज ही तो रेडी कर रही थी. Okay, so she wanted to explain this thing. She was crying too much. Okay, but उसके फादर ने उसकी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुनी. So finally Kezia, she lay in the shadowed room. Okay, so now वो अपने रूम में चली गई थी and she was lying on the bed and the room जो था वो कैसा था, it was a shadowed room. Okay, so जो लाइट आ रही थी, लाइट जो थी, they were creating some shadows in the room and she was watching the evening light. Okay, make a little a sad little pattern on the floor. Okay, so जो इवनिंग लाइट थी, बाहर जो जल रही थी लाइट, वो उस लाइट की जो अंदर जो रोशनी आ रही थी, सो बिकॉज ऑफ डैट इट वाज क्रिएटिंग सम लिटिल पैटर्न और वी कैन से सम लिटिल शैडोज ऑन द फ्लोर. ओके, सो कीजिया उन शैडोज को देख रही थी और कीजिया को वो सारे शैडोज, वो सारे पैटर्न भी कैसे लग रहे थे, बहुत सैड लग रहे थे. ओके, बिकॉज शी हरसेल्फ वाज सो सैड, सो अपसेट, और इनफैक्ट वी कैन से शी वाज सो फ्राइटन्ड. ओके, उसको पता था कि अब उसके जो फादर हैं वो बहुत एंग्री हैं, बहुत अपसेट है. ओके, सो वो उसको कुछ भी पनिशमेंट दे सकते हैं, फादर कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. सो शी इज़ फुल ऑफ फियर, शी इज़ सो मच अपसेट. ओके, सो जो शेडोज़ क्रिएट हो रही थी फ्लोर पे, रूम पे, वो शेडोज़ भी उसको बहुत ज़्यादा सैड लग रही थी. ओके, then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. Okay, finally Kezia's father, he is there in Kezia's room and he was having one ruler in his hands. Okay, so students, you all know what ruler is. Okay, so this is the ruler. Okay, so Kezia's father, he was having this ruler in his hands. Okay, I am going to beat you for this, he said. Okay, and when he was having this ruler and he was there in Kezia's room. Okay, so बहुत ही directly straight forward उन्होंने क्या बोला, he said that I am going to beat you for this. Okay, so he said कि जो तुमने किया है, okay, इतने important paper बिना किसी से पूछे, बिना किसी को बताए, right, रूम में से ले लिए, उनको tear कर दिया. so ये जो तुमने काम किया है, for this I will beat you because this is your punishment. Okay, oh no, she screamed. Okay, so little girl Kezia, she was shouting, she was screaming no, hiding under the bed clothes. Okay, so obviously बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई थी, so she was trying to escape, she was trying to save herself. So this is the reason that she was hiding under the bed clothes. Okay, so bed पे she was lying on the bed. So जैसे उसके father ने कहा that I am going to beat you, so she just wanted to protect herself. Okay, so उसने क्या किया, she was hiding under the bed clothes. Okay, he pulled them aside. But Kizia's father, he was very angry. He was so upset that he pulled all the bad clothes aside. Okay, sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. Okay, so Kizia's father, he is not at all ready to listen anything. Okay, and he ordered Kezia to sit up and hold out her hands. Okay, you must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. Okay, next Kezia's father, he explained this thing that why he is beating her, why he is giving this punishment to her. Okay, so he said that you must be taught once and for all. Okay, once and for all means it means forever. Okay, so he said that I wanted to teach this thing to you forever. And what is the thing? That not to touch what does not belong to you. Okay, so Kezia's father, he was so upset for this thing that Kezia entered into their bedroom. Okay, and वहाँ से उसने वो पेपर जो थे उसने उठा लिए without asking. Okay, without informing anyone, without asking anyone, she just gathered all the paper and she just tore down all the paper. Okay, so this is the reason that Kezia's father, he was so upset and he wanted to teach this lesson to Kezia that never ever again in her life she should touch anything that does not belong to her. Okay, but it was for your birthday. Okay, so finally Kezia, she was explaining something and she is saying that I took all the paper, I tore all the paper because I wanted to make that cushion. Okay, and that cushion was for your birthday present. Okay, down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Okay, but Kezia's father, okay, वो बिल्कुल भी सुन नहीं रहे हैं because वो एक्चुअल में Kezia को पनिश करना चाहते हैं because he wanted to teach one lesson to her. Okay, so he was not listening anything and down came the ruler on Kezia's little pink palms. Okay, so Kezia was standing there. Okay, और वो अपने palms को, अपने hands को वो आगे stretch कर रखी थे and finally जो Kezia के father हैं वो उस ruler से उसको hit करते हैं उसके palms पे. Okay, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. Okay, so obviously after this, Kezia वो क्या कर रही थी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा upset हो गई थी and she was crying. Okay, so hours later after this thing, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl. Okay, so grandmother was there to comfort her. Okay, to make her comfortable, to soothe her. Okay, and what grandmother did, she wrapped Kezia in a shawl. Okay, and then she rocked her in a rocking chair. Okay, so in this picture we can say this is a rocking chair. Okay, so grandmother, she was sitting on this chair. Okay, and Kezia she was in her grandmother's lap. Okay, and grandmother ने एक shawl से उसको wrap कर रखा था and they both were on this rocking chair. Okay, at this time the child Kezia, she clung to her soft body. Okay, so what is clung? Clung means to hold on tightly. Okay, so Kezia, she still was very much upset. She was full of fear. Okay, so she just clung to her grandmother's body. Okay, what did God make fathers for? She sobbed. Okay, so Kezia, she is so upset that she is having this question. Okay, and what is her question? She asked that what did God make fathers for? Okay, so अब तक जो Kezia है वो अपने father से इतना ज़्यादा डरती है, उसको लगता है that she is unable to talk with her father, she is unable to play with her father. So this is the reason she is having this question कि God ने father create ही क्यों किए हैं. Here's a clean hanky, darling, blow your nose. Okay, so Kezia, she was still crying. So grandmother, she said that here is a clean hanky, darling means dear Kezia, just blow your nose. Okay, go to sleep, pet, you will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father but he was too upset to listen tonight. Okay, next to the grandmother, she is saying that go to sleep, pet, pet means dear, so she is saying dear Kezia, just go to sleep, you will forget all about this thing in the morning. Okay, next she added that I try to explain to father. Okay, so grandmother is saying that I also try to explain everything, that why Kezia she took these papers. Okay, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Okay, so the grandmother, she is saying that I also try to explain all the things to your father, but he was very much upset, he was very much angry, and this is the reason he was unable to listen, he was unable to understand anything. Okay, but the child never forgot. Okay, so the grandmother said that you will forget all the things in the morning, but the little girl, but Kezia, she never forgot this thing. Okay, so ये जो बात थी, okay, that she was making a birthday present for her father. Okay, but her father, okay, उन्होंने उसकी बिल्कुल बात तक नहीं सुनी. He didn't listen. Okay, और उन्होंने उसको इतनी पनिशमेंट भी दी, उसको रूलर से बीट भी करा था. ओके, सो ये जो बात थी, ये बात कीजिया कभी भूल नहीं पाई थी. ओके, सो ये जो बात थी उसके मन में हमेशा रह गई थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम शी सॉ हिम, शी क्विकली पुट बोथ हैंड्स बिहाइंड हर बैक एंड अ रेड कलर फ्लू इनटू हर cheeks. Okay, so she was unable to forget this thing, and this is the reason that next time when she saw her father, she quickly put both hands behind her. Okay, so जैसे ही वो अपने फादर को मिलती थी, so वो अपने दोनों हैंड्स फिर से अपने बैक के पीछे कर लेती थी, एंड ए रेड कलर फ्लू इनटू हर cheeks. Okay, और उसके जो cheeks थे वो रेड हो जाते थे, बिकॉज उसको अपने फादर को देखते ही वही बात याद आती थी कि कैसे उसके फादर ने विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ रूलर उसको बीट किया था, उसके लिटिल पिंक पाम्स को हिट किया था. ओके, सो जैसे ही वो अपने फादर को देखती थी, वो अपने दोनों हैंड्स अपने बैक के पीछे कर लेती थी, और उसके जो चीक्स थे वो बिल्कुल रेड हो जाते थे. उसको वही सीन, वही बात फिर से याद आ जाती थी. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट, ये जो रिलेशनशिप है कीजिया का एंड हर फादर. ओके, सो क्या इसमें कुछ चेंजेस आते हैं, क्या इसमें कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है? ओके, वी विल कम टू नो व्हेन वी विल कंटिन्यू द चैप्टर. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.